Hello everybody, if you are in your colleges then this video is most important for you because in this video I am going to share 5 important lessons that are very useful and can help you to get separated from the crowd. The motive for me to create a video like this was when I was in my college, nobody was there to tell me about all these things. Due to this I made lots of mistakes, and from those mistakes and today I finally know that what all things do you need to do in your colleges. So here I am making this video and sharing these things with you. So watch this video till the end. And also, if you have chosen any field related to computers and technology, then this video is specially meant for you. So the first thing is to connect with the people. When you go in the colleges, you have your lecturers, your friends and your group. You can connect with all of them and all your friends, and you can also connect to your seniors who are more experienced than you, and connecting and talking to all of these people can help you gain lot more insight about the things that you need to do, and also you can plan your journey in a better way. You can also attend the events that occurs in your college and also in other colleges, because of which you can have a network of friends at which you can ask for help whenever you need. And also the long-term effect of having such a network of people is also very valuable. Number 2 is making projects. Projects are a very interesting way to learn a lot of new things because there you come across the practicality of the things. This is the fastest way to gain knowledge or experience about something that I have ever found out. Here I am talking all the projects that come beyond your academics. I'm not talking about the projects that you have to forcefully do when it is mandatory by the college. You can also collaborate with your friends for making these projects, and also you can talk to teachers, take help from the mentors, and you can gain very much knowledge about your project and start building it. Number 3 is to start your GitHub account. Most people don't realize this. They do not ever start a GitHub account because they feel that it is of no use, but it is very useful because see, if you made a project that is very good and can help to do a lot of things easily, but the project is of no use if you don't upload it or put it online. So my recommendation would be to create a GitHub account, put your projects on the GitHub account, and you can also take help from your friends through the GitHub account. And if your friend want to do some changes or like to give you some updates on their project, they can easily create a pull request and ask you to do the changes. And in this way you also come to know how to use Git and GitHub for your projects. Number 4 is making your LinkedIn account. What most people don't realize is LinkedIn is literally a goldmine for connections and opportunities. Yes, this is true. LinkedIn allows you to connect with your friends, teachers and all the people you have met, so that you can virtually ask for some help whenever you need. And also it is a very great place to talk about your projects, achievements and interests. And the 5th is not limiting yourself. In colleges, I have seen that most people limit themselves to the things that are taught in the colleges. Like they study only the things that have taught in the colleges, they do only the projects that are required for them, and they do all the things that are mandatory but never do the things that are important in their life. Let me give an example. One of my friends had an interest in a topic, then he went deep into that topic, developed the skills in it, and then he started freelancing online. So this is a great way to get started, because in your colleges, apart from the studies, you have a lot of spare time, and you can use this spare time to build something, create something. And if you spend this time on the things that do not matter in your life, then you are just wasting it, and wasting your time cannot help you to become successful. And remember this thing, that college is not just about books and exams. It's a journey. It's a journey of self-development, professional development. If you find this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more such informational content and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.